Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to activate or turn on fast charging on Samsung devices. So if you're using a Samsung device and you're thinking of turning on, fast charging on your device, then this particular video is for you. So just grab your device and go to settings. So go to settings. Okay, so in here, scroll down and select device care. So select device care or you can search for it. So in here, that's it, device care. So tap on device care. Yeah, and in here, as you can see in here, tap on the battery. So tap on the battery. Tap on the battery. Yeah. After you're done with that, scroll down and select charging settings. Charging settings. So select charging settings. And that's it. So the fast charging has been disabled in here. So you just have to, just turn it on. And that's it. You've activated fast charging for your device. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. So see you in the next video.